Match 5 with the drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, rush!
5 matches into Governor's Cup, and 501, the Power Knights scoring a note in their speaker. Overly complex, scoring a note, and looking to do another one, maybe? They can't quite get it, but maybe another one, and not yet. Relatively close match, 12-19 coming out of Autonomous. Team Phoenix going for those center line notes first and shooting them towards their amp. Power Knights going for another note, lining up in front of their podium. They have a very tall robot, probably one of the tallest robots we've seen, which makes it very easy for them to shoot those notes into the speaker. Blood, Sweat, and Gears with a note now, heading over, maybe to play some defense on Team Phoenix. We'll see what they do. Team Phoenix, though, undeterred, looking to launch another note over their speaker, almost into the amp. Overly complex, looking to take those notes and put them in the red amp. Looks like we have some fouls over there. Careful, the amp zone is a protected area. But now there is a big herd of notes over at the red amp for Overly Complex to put in note after note and get an amplification going. Blue Alliance currently has 6 notes scored, Red Alliance trailing at 5 notes, but Red is leading in the score with 28 to Blue's 19. Blood, Sweat, and Gears in the center of the field playing some defense. Tidal Force is at their amp zone. Let's see, maybe they're trying to get a note in the amp or pick up a note perhaps. Team Phoenix with another note into their red speaker. Blue Alliance finishing up an amplification cycle. And the Power Knights looking to be playing some hybrid defense on the Red Alliance while going for a note of their own in the blue source. Overly Complex looking to head back, but is being blocked by 1247. And it is the end game. Both alliances trying to return to their stage. And Red Alliance has a high note from the human player. Blue Alliance has 2 high notes. Let's go for 3. 3 high notes on the field so far. It's always good to end the match on a high note. Power Knights climbing, and they are spotlit, meaning they'll get an extra point because the human player successfully landed a note on top of their microphone. Okay, y'all are set to go on. Here come our scores. It is the Red Alliance taking the win. 40-35, very close match. Looks like it was the speaker making the difference and penalties. Careful of those penalties, teams.